In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock angles in AutoCAD so you can draw at fixed angles with precision and consistency. One of the easiest ways to do this is by using dynamic input, which displays angle and length values directly near your cursor while drawing. First, make sure dynamic input is enabled. You can quickly turn it on by pressing F12 on your keyboard or by clicking the dynamic input icon on the status bar at the bottom of AutoCAD. Once enabled, start the line command and begin drawing your line. As you move the cursor, you'll notice angle and distance values appear automatically. Press the Tab key to switch between the distance and angle fields. Enter the exact angle you want, such as 27 degrees, then press Tab again to lock that angle in place. After the angle is fixed, simply type the line length and press Enter to complete the line. This method makes it much easier to create precise geometry without manually calculating directions. Locked angles are especially useful for architectural layouts, mechanical drafting, and technical drawings where accuracy matters. Keep practicing with different angle values to become faster and more efficient in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching and happy drafting.